What's going on, guys? We're gonna play a dice game. It's a one-player game. I just made it up because I wanted to practice my dice game, basically my dice skills. If I roll a 3 of a kind or higher, I win. Also, if you get one, I'm rolling 6 dice. If I have one off of a straight, if I'm one off of a straight, I win as well. Now that you know that, because it's pretty rare to do that, I think I win. So let's get to it, because it's 6 dice. We need to have rules like that. Let's get to it. If I roll a 3 of a kind or higher, I win. That's a win. That's one off of a straight. That's another win. Four of a kind and full house, I win. Straight, I win. Full house, four of a kind and full house, I win. One off of a straight, I win. One off of a straight, I win. One off of a straight, I win. Four of a kind, I win. Four of a kind, I win. Three of a kind, I win. Four of a kind, I win. One off of a straight, I win. One off of a straight, I win. Full house, I win. Two pair, I lose. Three of a kind, I win. Two pair, I lose. Three pair, I lose. Might be neutral, guys, I'm not sure. Three pair might be neutral, I'm not sure. Three pair, neutral. Four of a kind, I win. Three of a kind, I win. Two pair, I lose. Four of a kind, I win. Three of a kind, I win. Full house, I win. Four of a kind, I win. Two pair, I lose. Two pair, I lose. One off of a straight, I win. Four of a kind and full house, I win. Three of a kind, I win. Full house, I win. One off of a straight, I win. One off of a straight, I win. Two pair, I lose. Two pair, I lose. That's good enough for now, guys. That's good enough for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. My little made-up game I made up. If you have 6 dice, you just roll 3 of a kind or higher and you win. Remember, if you get one off of a straight, you win as well. Because of the rarity and how I noticed I was getting a lot of one off of a straight, and it would count as a loss, and I would get nothing but one off straights, and I noticed that it should be a win, because I wasn't getting 3 of a kinds, even though, yeah, that's what was happening basically. You guys can understand that. It counts as a win, guys, and anything, a 3 pair might be a neutral, it might neutralize the score. You won't lose or win. It'll just be neutral, a draw basically. I don't know what to call the game. Not sure what I should call the game. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's it for now. See you guys next time.